Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today, I will be going over the KW88 by Kingwear smartwatch. This is one of those nicer smartwatches that come from China, and it goes for about $100. It could be slightly below or slightly above, but it's going to be in about the $100 range, depending on the website and the seller that you get it from. So I will be going through some of the basic features of this watch and just my review of this watch as well, since I've had this watch for some time now, and I thought it would be a very good time to give an accurate review of what I think. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, this watch comes in quite a few colors. I have one of them here, which is the gold color. Okay, so as you can see, the watch looks very nice from the surface and all around. The band is made out of silicone, but it has some really cool patterns to it. You know, the bubble pattern. I do like the watch and how it looks. The case is made out of steel. Like I said, the case comes in several colors as well as the band. This is one of the colors that I do like the best. It also comes in white, red, and black. And I think all of them are very popular as well. So, this watch comes in, it has the details of 5-minute increments, as you can see on the case here, which I do like. It has speakers on the side, so you could expect it to make some sound, some decent sound also. You also have a SIM card slot over here, which if you want the watch to work independently on its own, you can do that. You can purchase the SIM card at your local mobile phone store. Okay, so that's if you want to connect your watch and operate it entirely on its own, but it is not required. What you can do, if you don't want to buy the SIM card, is you just connect it to Bluetooth to your phone, and you can still work basically the same for most of the functions. This watch also uses a magnetic charger, the 4-pin one, which in my opinion charges pretty fast. It charges for about an hour or two, and you can use it for at least a day, even with heavy usage. Okay, so I'm going to put this watch on for you and see how it looks. So this is how the watch looks. It definitely looks pretty cool. I do wear this watch the most often, especially when I go out, and I do get quite a bit of compliments on how this watch looks. So we can first go over some of the basic functions of this watch. This watch operates off a Android operating system. I believe it's Android 5.1. It comes with quite a few watch faces. So this is the default one. There's also a few others. So just enough for you to get started and not get bored with the watch faces. I believe there's also an option to download additional watch faces either through free or paid websites, depending on where you look. But there's definitely going to be options out there for you to download additional watch faces. So if you want to connect your watch with your phone, or if you want to entirely operate your watch on its own with the SIM card, you'll be able to have add contacts or sync contacts, use your phone, use Bluetooth call. There's also health functions that comes with this watch. So, if you want to keep track of your steps, your heart rate, that's possible. You'll also be able to type up messages on this watch and read messages. You have your music control, remote camera capture. You can also browse with this watch, listen to music, go to the gallery, so you can take pictures and store pictures on this watch. There are some basic clock functions, like alarms. I believe if you want to go back to the home menu, you would down swipe, but that's not the case here. You could manage files. There's also an anti-lost function on this watch. Sound recorder, weather, calendar, voice search. I believe that's if you want to browse the web with just your voice, hoping that the browser can recognize your voice. But you do need to connect to a network for that. So connect it through your phone or SIM card. I believe right now is lagging. So I'm trying to get back out of that. If you need additional apps, like I said, this is an Android watch, so you can always go into the Play Store and see what's available for this watch. You have your maps. This is a GPS watch. Okay, so that goes through some of the basic functions of this watch and my basic review of this watch. Like I said, I do like this watch, and it is my one of my most worn watches when I go out. This watch is not waterproof, so do not use it for quite a bit of outdoor functions. If you are looking for a watch that you want to just go out and look nice with, this is the watch that you want to go with. If you want a watch that you want to go outdoors with and sustain some water, this is not the watch for that. Like I said, this watch would go for about $100 range depending on the website that you buy it from. I actually got this from China, directly from AliExpress, so I could have gotten quite a bit of discounts there, but the trade-off is you're gonna have to wait quite a bit for delivery. If you get it through Amazon or eBay, for which I am an affiliate of, you can probably get your watch with less delivery time, but the trade-off is the price is going to be a little higher. Okay, so it's going to be in the $100 range. But if you don't mind that and you would rather have faster delivery time, you may want to go with that option. So I have left my affiliate links in the video description below. And if you guys do proceed to purchase with my links below, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you back at the next video. Thank you.